Hello and welcome to another Source Sounds video. Today we have got a 2013 Jeep Wrangler and we have changed the radio in it. Also we have fitted a reverse camera. So let me show you the camera first. I'll show you around here. Quite a nice little vehicle. Very nice. Now we fitted a reverse camera. I've done a KENWOOD CMOS 230. We removed an original camera and we filled the holes and fitted that one there, so you get a good image of the reverse when you're reversing up to get your trailer hitch or surroundings that are around you. Now this is actually a left-hand drive version. Now let me show you inside. Right, so now we're inside. This is a KENWOOD DMX5190DABS and it's got CarPlay. It's got two USBs. The microphone is just up there, nice and out of the way. And because this has a normal FM nice whip aerial, we've been able to use a DAB splitter to get the DAB on there. And these are some approved apps that you can use on the CarPlay. Very nice. And if you want to go back to the home screen, press that there. So this unit has got DAB, it's got FM, it has got Bluetooth, so you can do your hands-free calls. It's got built-in navigation. It's a very nice unit. USB, it's got two, and we situated those two in the glove box. It's a phone plugged in there for the CarPlay. Let me show you the reverse camera image. Very nice. So that's popped on there. So the top of the screen there, you can just see the spare wheel, and at the bottom you can see the towing eye, the towing tow ball for towing, you know. So it's very nice, fits there lovely. Back out of reverse and it goes back to your home screen. Now, if you would like to change your radio in your Jeep, please don't hesitate to give the experts at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Alternatively, you could email us and then we can get back to you during business hours at sales@sourcesounds.com. I'm Nath, thank you for watching.